In today's video, we will try to learn the necessary voucher entries related to predefined cost center. In our last video, we took an example, and in this video, we will make the necessary voucher entries regarding to that example. You can check the example in our description, and you can check the video in our channel. So for making necessary entries, we will go with gateway of tally, then go with vouchers. Press F5 for payment. You can see my payment is already selected. I want to change the date. For press F2. I want to change the date as 1/6/2024. Press enter. The date is changed, and we have to make some changes in configuration. So press F12 for configuration. You can see the detailed configuration is here. If the detailed configuration is not here, then press show more configuration, made it yes, then you can see the detailed configuration. Now change it, select cost center or cost class, made it yes, and show list of cost center, made it yes. Press Ctrl A for saving the screen. The screen is saved. Now you can see a new field is open, which is cost center or cost class. You can see, come here and press spacebar. So select the list. Here select commission percentage, which we made in our last video. Then we have to make the debit credit. For this we will go with debit will be the commission, so made it commission, and the value was 7,500. Press enter. The credit will be the cash, so select the cash. Because we don't have enough cash, so you can see the cash balance is showing in negative. If you have the enough cash, so this will not show in red. So whatever, oh, press enter. You can see the negative. If you want to put narration, then put it here, or if don't want, press Ctrl A for save the screen. The screen is saved. Now we will check our entry. For checking, come here, gateway of tally, then go with display more reports, then go with account books, then go with payment register. Select the month June, because we made the entry in the month of June. You can see the entry here. If you press enter, you can see the detail entry here. So all the details, whom I paid the salesman commission, all the details and everything you can see here is present. You can enable predefined cost center and made voucher entries like this. Thank you for watching.